Well, hello YouTube. Here we are with a bit of a video. Well, of course, in front of us here, we have ourselves our wonderful garage, shop, or shed, however you want to view her. Well, of course, you remember in the fall of 2014, we de-installed the brand new non-working garage door and built our own working garage door that fit this garage and would work in this space. Well, I wasn't able to do a follow-up video in the fall of 15, but pretty much here we are this spring of 16, and well, ready to prove the naysayers wrong. Now, of course, I got a lot of comments and PMs saying this would never last a year. I have no idea what I was doing. I have no idea how to build a door, things like that. And well, pretty much to prove them wrong, we're gonna open this thing up, swing her wide open, and prove to all of them that it does still work, does still open, and it's still good to go. Now, of course, this thing hasn't been open all winter. Last time it was open would have been around the fall of the year when I had the utility trailer in it. And well, since then, it hasn't been cracked, nor, well, open, of course, to see if it still works. So pretty much, let's, well, slide the lock on open, give her a swing, and, well, see what happens. Okay guys, so here we go. This is what the inside of the garage door looks like. The outside is sheeted with, well, 1/2-inch plywood, obviously for weather type reasons. The inside is sheeted with, well, 3/8 OSB, because, well, it's really not going to see any weather, whatsoever. So pretty much what I got is 2 hinges on each door. While there is a brace that runs down the middle, as well as a brace on each hinge where it bolts secure. If you watched my videos, you would see the construction of the doors. I feel that they are very well built. They're not super heavy, but at the same time, they're not light and flimsy. So pretty much, let's open it up, slide out my, well, little pin, slide down the bolt. Well, first time the doors have been cracked since, well, like I said, the fall of 2015. So let's go push her on open. So pretty much taking my non-working kind of ornamental door handles, kind of putting a hand on the door, cracking the, well, seal, if you want to say. Pretty much like that. One swings that way, one swings this way. And the way that I got them adjusted, they are adjusted in such a way that even if they're not latched, they still won't open by themselves. You gotta, manually swing them open. They do roll on those little caster wheels, which helps prevent sag in the door, which of course is kind of a bonus. All in all, of course, being whatever it's been, a year and a half or so, this side exposed to the weather, it's well, fared fairly well. In a little bit of time, I will probably have to clean this up, give it another recoat, but until then, well, it's well, really good to go. But pretty much, guys, this has been an update a year and a half later on the garage door that we built. And as always, thanks for watching Maxwell's World. Comment, subscribe, and enjoy.